What's up everyone, this is your homegirl Kari, and today I bring you this vampy burgundy look. I know that this is out of season and I know that the spring makeup is going on right now, but you know what, that's the good thing about makeup, that you can do whatever you like. Plus I did this on a client and I never got to take a picture, so I wanted to recreate it. And I also know that some girls like to use this kind of makeup all year long, so that's why I did this tutorial. I used the Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette, so if you guys want to know how to get this look done, just keep watching. Alright, so first shade that we're going to use is Matter of Fact, and we're going to use this to set our concealer. Next, we're going in with Downright, and we're going to use this as our transition shade. And now with the shade TMI, I'm going to start in the crease slightly and then slowly building it up. Now I'm not going to cut the crease, I'm only placing a little bit of concealer right in the center where I want the shade to pop the most. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with my finger. And now with the shade Be Blunt, I'm going to go ahead and place this on the outer and inner corner of the lid, leaving the center empty. And now with this beautiful shade Candid, I'm placing it right in the middle of my lid. And just to give it a little extra shine, I'm going in with Straight Up, but only using my finger and putting it right in the center of Candid. And now with the shade Actually, I'm placing this on the outer corner to darken up the look. For foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and concealer from Flower Beauty. This foundation is great for more mature skin and is also great for normal to dry skin. Notice that I don't put the foundation all the way under my eyes because I don't want so much product under there. If you do suffer from creasing, you might want to try this trick. Moving on to concealer, I'm placing this under my eyes as a triangle and almost all the way up to my cheeks. Now I'm placing setting powder to set the concealer. You can bake longer if you like, if you get oily, if you don't suffer from creasing. But since my skin is kind of dry, I just tap it into my skin and I don't leave it baking for that long. Now going back to the eyes, I'm going to place the same shadows on the top lid to the bottom lid. Now I'm going back with my setting powder and I'm going to put this on the hollow of my cheeks. I'm doing this to mattify the look a little bit more because this foundation is pretty dewy, and also just so it can last longer. For bronzer, I'm going in with Spectacle as always. I also put a little bit of bronzer in my nose, not to contour, but just to give a little bit more color to my face. Now I'm going in with To The 10 for cheeks, and I'm gonna place this on my cheeks. I like to smile and then just tap it. And now to clean up the powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my big face brush to do so, and then I'm going in with the shade Up Front just to put it in my inner corner. And for highlight, I'm using one of my favorites from Dose of Colors in Babe. And I use the same blending brush that I use for my eyes for the highlight because I just like to be practical. And this highlight was giving me life. For lips, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Vixen Lip Liner, and then later on I go in with Sachet Matte Luxe Lip from Colourpop. And now for setting spray, I'm going in with Morphe, putting just a little bit. And now just to timeline my eyes, I'm going in with this black e.l.f. eyeliner. And now to put on my eyelashes, I like to put my mirror pretty low so I can be looking down. This is the easiest way that I find for placing eyelashes. And I start by putting it right in the center, and then I go into the outer and inner corner. And I like to put mascara after I place my falsies because I just feel like it's easier to put them on than when I already have mascara on. I feel like my eyelashes get on the way. And here's a close-up of the eyes.
And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. I'll see you next time.